What's up guys, and the iPhone 12 story is over. The iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max pre-orders have already begun. Even the first ARM-based Mac has also announced, so it is a perfect time to take a look at next year. Next year, Apple has some big plans with the iPhone 13, and to reveal that plans, great Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo is here. So according to Kuo, Apple will continue and launch the same number of iPhones as this year, starting with 5.4-inch iPhone 13 mini, then we have 6.1-inch iPhone 13, 6.1-inch iPhone 13 Pro, and 6.7-inch iPhone 13 Pro Max. Furthermore, he says that Apple is about to bring a massive upgrade to the ultra-wide-angle lens. Apple is working on a brand new f1.8 aperture 6p ultra-wide-angle lens. With that big aperture and new 6-element lens, the details could drastically be improved. One of the things you see with smartphone ultra-wide-angle lens is that generally it tends to take softer photos than main lens, so Apple could solve that issue by using a high-quality lens. One more thing you miss with smartphone ultra-wide-angle lens is autofocus. So with the iPhone 13, we could also see an autofocus with the ultra-wide-angle lens. And Apple is not just making upgrades with the ultra-wide-angle lens, but also with main camera sensor. You see with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, Apple has increased the size of the main camera sensor. Next year, that same bigger sensor will be inside of the iPhone 13 and 13 mini, while the Pro series will get even bigger camera sensor. There was also a rumor of 64 megapixel main camera sensor with the iPhone 13, but we have to wait for that to be confirmed. And by the way, if you're still watching this video, then sub to the channel would be amazing. Coming back to the iPhone 13, so next year, Apple will also be bringing a feature that no one asked for, but it's coming anyway. The Pro series of the iPhone 13 will also be getting a 1TB internal storage option. Honestly, if you ask me, 1TB is an overkill for smartphones, but I guess it's probably because of the rumored 8K video recording from next year's iPhone. And last but not the least, next year with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, Apple could also remove a charging port. Ming-Chi Kuo didn't give us any details, but he will pretty soon. By removing the charging port, Apple will go completely wireless, making the MagSafe the new charging standard for iPhones. If you want to know everything about that portless iPhone and MagSafe, then be sure to check that video out. So yeah, that's all for now. The iPhone 13 begins. Let me know what you think of 1TB iPhone 13 and portless iPhone, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.